Hey guys, this is Kevin Vaughn here up in Kennesaw doing a quick business showcase here at one of the black-owned, just recently black-owned dry cleaning services here real quickly. We're going to go in and talk to the owner, man. This is where I come, guys, to do my dry cleaning. So we're going to come in. Here's the office hours here as well, as well. So let you know about that. This is up in Kennesaw, Georgia, guys, on old 41, Highway 41. At 100, 100, there it is, 100 on Old 41 Park. We're going to go talk to the owner, okay, guys, as well. Thank you so much. All right. Hey, man, this is the best place on the planet. What's going on, Doc?
What's going on, man?
All right. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kevin Vaughn here on our business showcase today on our network. We're always excited about hearing about black-owned businesses, and this is my brother here. This is where I come, guys, on a regular basis to bring my laundry, to say my dry clean, and this brother's been doing a great job here. Just picked up mine today, man. Thank you so much. Well, my brother, the owner, one of the owners here, tell us a little bit about you, if you don't mind, your full name, and then a little bit about the business.
My name is Eric Rivers.
Mr. Rivers, yeah. Rivers of money.
We just took over. Well, I just took over. October the 6th.
Yeah, that's great, guys.
Yeah, first business, going pretty well.
Yeah.
Loving how it's going. Trying to scale a little bit more.
Yep.
Do a couple of different things with the marketing, the advertising, and stuff.
Yeah.
And definitely trying to buy more dry cleaners.
Absolutely.
I'm actually in the process of getting one now.
Oh, wow. That's great, man. That's great, Mr. Rivers. We call you Rivers of Money, man. I got a good friend of mine. Her last name is Money.
Flowing.
Yeah, Rivers is Money. That's right, man. So we're going to give you all three streams of income, right? Or 4 or 5.
Absolutely.
Amen.
Absolutely.
Well, Mr. Rivers, what you want people to do, specifically those in the Marietta, Kennesaw, Ackworth, Woodstock area, you guys need to come on down. Black-owned dry cleaning service, Mr. Rivers. Mr. Rivers, what you want people to do today, man?
I want y'all to come in. I want y'all to come shop. I want you to come bring them clothes, them Gucci shirts, them chrome hearts. Come bring it on down. I'm going to get it cleaned up for you. We're going to get it back to you.
Amen.
Quick delivery, good service, everything that's going to be. And you can get a couple laughs when you come in.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, great personality. You do comforters, man, and all bedding and everything too, right? Is that correct?
Everything.
Yeah, I'm looking at the bedding.
Leather rugs, wedding dresses, prom dresses.
Wow.
Whatever.
Wow. That's fantastic.
Me even in here taking care of plants.
Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah, you take care of plants, man. Yeah, I remember. That's powerful, guys. Well, great. Well, Mr. Rivers, any final thoughts there, and also address and where people can contact you guys on social media yet, or anything like that? Let me know.
We have a Facebook page.
Good.
That's
there you
about
go.
It. But
that's good. That's a good start.
All the rest of the social media, they'll come around later.
Yeah, absolutely.
Address, 1735 Tuscan Heights Boulevard, Kennesaw, Georgia, 30052.
Fantastic.
And our phone, what is our phone number?
Yeah, amen. Yeah, that's important too. Give us our phone number. And guys, we're on Highway 41 today. And it's a Suite 100, I think it is.
Yes, sir,
Suite 100. Yeah, that's what it is.
Phone number is 404-940-4189.
Fantastic.
Yes,
well, guys, we're talking to Mr. Rivers here. He is the owner of the dry cleaning service here up here. Is it still called Daisy?
It's called Daisy Cleaners for now, but the name will be changing within the next month or two.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Luxury Cleaners.
Yeah. Oh, wonderful, man. That's great. Congratulations. That's great, man.
You.
Hey, any encouraging and empowering words there, Mr. Rivers? You know, a lot going on today on the planet, so mainly for our young people and everybody, but anything you'd like to say to encourage us, other business owners, and just people in general?
Well, my grandfather he always used to say, there's more than one way to skin a cat.
Yeah.
So, if one thing doesn't work, then, just don't give up. Keep trying.
Right.
Different ways.
Absolutely, man.
And exhaust all options is one of my favorite things to say.
Yeah.
To get to your your destination.
Yeah, I love it. Man, I thank God for our grandfathers, grandmothers, as you know, Mr. Rivers. Powerful legacy, powerful memories. But guys, there's nothing you can't do. Come on, right, Mr. Rivers? Absolutely. Nothing. Absolutely. All you got, but guess what, Mr. Rivers? They got to go to work, man.
They got to go to work.
Yeah,
they can't.
Yeah, man, you can't be dropping stuff. You say, okay, I will stay at home.
Nah,
guys, you got to go work it. You got to work it like that's right.
Snow, sick, not sick.
That's right.
Come to work.
That's right. That's the quality of a business, folks. Come on, folks. You got to understand. You got to go to work. Everybody knows that, though. If you're gonna work for somebody else, if you don't show up, you don't get paid, folks.
Absolutely.
Same thing in the business world. So, Mr. Rivers, thank you so much, man. We're so proud of you, excited for you, and we'll see you next time. Anytime you're ready to come back on, this is part of the Men Let's Talk Network. So we love men talking, business owners talking about their business, and we'll see you next time. Once again, get that address out again on the dry cleaning service owned by Mr. Rivers. Once again.
1735 Tuscan Heights Boulevard, Kennesaw, Georgia.
Amen. That phone number, do we have a phone number?
Yeah, the phone number is 404-940-4189. You can text or call that number.
Amen. You know, Mr. Rivers, we talked about this too, man. You're going to be doing some delivery service, man. Pick up delivery. Yeah.
I'm trying to take my idea now.
No, we ain't going to do it, but we want you to get the business, man.
Yeah, man. We're trying to go get more dry cleaners around the metro Atlanta area, north, south, east, and west.
Yeah.
You know, get some more.
That hasn't started yet, though, yeah?
No, it's in the process. Like
it's in the process, yeah, because I want people to contact you if they want pickup. You know, they need to call you. I don't know.